Hi everyone, it's me Casey again. Come with me and my mom on a trip to Walmart. Right now, I'm just nicely walking down the aisle with my mom. Just waiting for my mom to find what she needs, like a good boy. Do you guys think I am a good boy? I don't know why my mom was grabbing my ears. She likes to play with my ears. Oh, we are walking again. Where to next, Mom? Oh, we are stopping again. Okay, time to go again. My mom calls this healing, where I walk nicely next to her. I wonder what my mom is looking for. She came to come get a few things. This kid asked for my name. My mom doesn't give out my name when I'm working because she doesn't want anybody to distract me.
I don't give out his name in public, sorry. I don't give out his name in public, sorry. Yeah.
There are some people trying to talk to me, and I did really good ignoring them. Mom always gets a little irritated when people do that to me. Oh, I guess we're turning now. Where are we going now, Mom? I did really good walking through the crowd of people and ignoring them. Which way are we going, Mom? Oh, we're going this way. I think my mom got lost at this point. This kid stopped again and asked my mom if I had a TikTok or YouTube.
It is Service Dog POV.
I just waited patiently until my mom is done.
There's one here. And then there's another one over
I met this angel, she taught me to fly. Yeah, she showed me all the colors of the sky.
Then my mom called one of my favorite people, Ashley, to see if she needed anything.
I'm just skin and bones, I know that there's room. When the man in black comes to cash his check and you're holding on to your
Okay, we're going again.
when you walk out the door, know that I will too. I hope they put coffins into.
Oh, I guess we're turning around now.
When I was younger, I used to pray that my life was more than the sum of my mistakes.
Mom told me in front, which means I go in front of her to either create space or get out of the way of people. This time is so I could get out of the way of people.
Now we're older, but you look brand new.
Oh, I guess we're going again. I guess they didn't have what Mom needed, or at least one of the things she needed. This was a different Walmart than my mom and me normally go to.
Take your final walk alone. So if forever leaves too soon, only skin and bones, I know that there's room. When the man in black comes to cash his check and you're holding on to your final breath.
More
When
walking.
you walk out the door, know that I will too. I hope they build coffins for two. I'm never leaving you.
love seeing kids' reactions when they see me. They can be pretty funny sometimes, especially the reactions they give or do.
And then she'll walk away. She's just all out of heart to break.
Right now I'm watching my mom's back while she grabs something.
Can you imagine? I can imagine letting her go once you had her where he had her. She's beautiful, take your breath in a second. And if he shows up tonight, she's gonna wreck it. Don't take it personal if she don't want to talk. You got to understand that girl has heard it all. She'll drink the drink you buy, and then she'll walk away. She's just all out of heart to break. That dress, that hair, those heels, that lipstick ain't for you. That's just
Mom accidentally hit me in the face with the drinks she grabbed. That was very rude of her.
get back, but it's too late.
And then I think she was laughing at me. Now we're going to go find my mom's mom. My mom was having a really good health day, so I didn't need to task or alert to her today.
Don't take it personal if she don't wanna talk. You got to understand the girl has heard it all. She'll drink the drink you buy.
Goodbye, Casey out. Until next time, y'all have a fantastic day.